this video we will compare Workato and Make. Workato and Make are both integration and automation platforms, but they differ in terms of user experience, complexity and features. Workato is an enterprise-focused automation tool which provides a robust, low solution for automation workflows and integrates business applications. It is known for its high-end, enterprise-grade integration, offering a wide array of public connectors, and it builds advanced features like real-time data syncing, logical thinking, and error handling. Workato also allows for greater flexibility with more complex cases, making it ideal for businesses with sophisticated automation needs and who have a large-scale business. However, it may require a steep learning curve. On the other hand, Make is known for its intuitive visual interface, which allows users to build workflows in drag-and-drop approach. It's a very popular choice for smaller businesses and individuals who, due to its flexibility and ease of use, make it easier. Make offers a wide range of integration with cloud services, apps, and APIs. It's often praised for its affordability and scale. While it's powerful enough for automation tasks and workflows, it's generally seen as more accessible for users who are not looking for complexity and customization in the enterprise level, such as Workato. In summary, Workato is better suited for larger organizations with more complex needs, while Make is ideal for smaller businesses who are looking and seeking for a more cost-effective way to automate their workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.